NICE MC424L Control Board Full Wiring. Hello friends, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. Today in this video, I will explain the NICE MC424L Swing Gate Control Board wiring step by step. Main power supply connection. Now not connect the main AC power supply. Just I will show you the main power supply connection. L is live wire. N is neutral wire. Ground symbol is earth connection. This board supports 120 volt, 230 volt, or 250 volt AC, 50/60 Hz. The voltage supply depends on country. Always connect proper earthing for safety. Before wiring, make sure the main electricity is OFF. Motor connections. Now let's connect the swing gate motors. Motor 1 is M1. M1 motor terminal starts first during the closing phase. The first three terminals are for motor 1. Left terminal is motor negative. Middle is earth. Right terminal is motor positive. This motor normally works as the first opening leaf. Motor 2 is M2. M2 motor terminal starts first during the opening phase. The next three terminals are for motor 2. Connection is exactly the same. Left terminal is motor negative. Middle is earth. Right terminal is motor positive. Note 1. If the motor direction is wrong, simply reverse positive and negative wires. Note 2. Not used for single leaf gates. The control unit automatically recognizes whether there is only one motor installed. The output of this control board is 24 volt for motors openers. Flashing light connection. Now connect the warning light or flashing lamp. Use terminals Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. This output provides 24 volt DC maximum 25 watt. Connect positive of flash lamp to Terminal 2. Connect negative to flash lamp to Terminal 1. The light flashes whenever the gate is moving. Electric lock or open gate indicator. Next terminals. Terminal 3, Terminal 4. These terminals can work for electric lock, open gate indicator light, depending on programming settings. For electric lock, the board can provide 12 volt or 24 volt output. Connect the lock wires directly to terminals 3 and 4. Photocell connection. Now let's connect the safety photocells. Photocell transmitter TX. Photocell receiver RX. Connect TX terminal 1 to board terminal 7. Connect TX terminal 2 to board terminal 6. Connect RX terminal 1 to board terminal 7. Connect RX terminal 2 to board terminal 6. Terminal 7 is plus 24 volt DC power supply. Terminal 6 is 0 volt DC power supply. The combined terminals of 7 and 6 output is 24 volt DC for photocell or accessories power supply. Maximum 200 mA. Now connect safety contact. Connect by wire RX terminal 4 to board terminal 10 photo. Connect RX terminal 5 to board terminal 8 common. This creates NC safety contact. When somebody crosses the photocell beam, the gate stops or reverses for safety. This is the standard safety. Push button connection. Now connect the manual push button. Connect terminal 12 to push button. Terminal 12 is step-by-step output. Connect terminal 8 to push button. This input works in sequence. Each press different work. If the door is closed and you press one time the switch, the gate open. Next press stop. Next press closing. And next stop. One push button can fully control the gate. Antenna connection. For better remote control range, connect antenna wires. Use the antenna terminals on the right side of the board. Connect shield or ground wire to lower terminal. Connect signal wire to upper antenna terminal. Use RG58 shielded cable for best signal quality. Remaining terminal explanation. Now let's explain the remaining terminals. Terminal 5. Terminal 5 is plus 24-volt phototest output. Used mainly for transmitter photocells with phototest function. Maximum output 100 mA. Terminal 8. Terminal 8 is common terminal. Common for all command and safety inputs. Many accessories return to this terminal. Terminal 9. Alt stop. This is emergency stop input. Normally connected as NC contact. If this contact opens, gate movement stops immediately. Can be used with emergency stop button. Safety lock. Safety edge. If not using stop device, normally a jumper is installed between terminal 8 and 9. Terminal 11. Photo 1. Additional safety input. Also NC type. Can be programmed for extra safety devices. If not used, usually connect jumper between 8 and 11. Terminal 12. SBS step by step. This is command input. Works in sequence. Open stop close stop. Used for push button, key selector, intercom relay. Terminal 13. Auxiliary input terminal. Default function is partial opening or pedestrian opening. Can be reprogrammed for different functions. Very useful for walk-through opening. So friends, this was the complete NICE MC424L Control Board wiring explanation. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Door Surgeon for more automatic gate wiring and programming videos. Thanks for watching.